Hey everyone, George here, and in today's video, I want to update you on where I am in my Amazon journey. So today is the 1st of May 2019, and some things have changed. So first of all, I have received samples from 2 more suppliers, and I finally liked one of them. So in total, I have received samples from, I think it was 5 suppliers, and I liked one of them. I actually liked 2 of them, but the supplier that I liked didn't have the colors that I want, so I had to go with the other supplier who had the colors. Now, as soon as I received them and I expected them and I liked it, I messaged the supplier. We figured out some more details, like, you know, he confirmed the shipping and you know, the tax and all the little details about the product. So once I confirmed that, he sent me the trade assurance form for 30% down, and so I paid that, yeah, and as soon as I paid that, they started the production, I believe. So he told me that the production will take anywhere from 18 to 25 days. So that's fine with me. I have time to wait, right? And then, so after right after that, I bought this like a white thingy for which, you know, they use for photos. You can kind of, like, you know, put it up or down, and then you can and then you can also, you know, roll it out, and it's a white background basically. So I bought that, and I bought that specifically to take photos of the product because yeah, photos is one of the most important things about the product, and I'm actually differentiating myself with photos because I went, you know, one step further and actually managed to take lifestyle photos of the product, so with the person. And what I did was I hired a photographer. I asked one of my friends to come over and model with the with the product, and yeah, it was fun. We did it, I think, the day before yesterday, so it was something like the 28th. Sorry, the 29th, and yeah, we had fun. We had some music playing. You know, they were taking pictures. She took pictures of the actual product itself on the white background. Then, you know, we had, like, I think 800 lifestyle photos, you know, the model wearing the products. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for her to edit the photos. She said it was going to take about a week, and she will send me the photos. So I'm waiting for that. My next steps are is to hire a copywriter to help me with the description and the bullet points, because I want to kind of give off a premium vibe. So I want to use, you know, like some premium words like exclusive or premium, and have an emphasis on the brand. And yeah, so copyright, I need to hire that. I also want to hire a graphic designer because my product it's a one size, right? It's kind of adjustable, but it is you need to know the measurements, and so I'm gonna hire a graphic designer to help me make an illustration to show the person the measurements. And yeah, I think what else is there? Oh yeah, I also hired an inspection company. So I found this company on Facebook. It was called Inspector Man. I think it's a Chinese company, and what they do is they have all these different services that they provide. And one of the services, you know, you can have factory inspection before you know, you place an order. But what I bought was I contacted them and I asked if they can help me with post-production, pre-shipment product inspection. So basically, before you ship out the product, they're gonna come to the factory and they're gonna take a random sample of, like, you know, 80 units of the product or something, and they're gonna write like a full-out report. I sent them a criteria of, you know, the different points I'm looking to check, so like, you know, the labels and the colors and all that stuff, and they're gonna check that. They're also gonna check the overall quality of the product, and once you know, then they'll send me a report, and then they'll say either they approve or disapprove, and I'm also gonna see if I want to approve or disapprove the product. So once the inspection is done, and once we are sure that everything is in place, then the supplier will actually ship the product to the United States. I have already, in my Seller Central, I have already created a send and replenish inventory, and I have already, you know, gave them all the measurements and all of that. So now all they're waiting for me is just a tracking number. So once I have the tracking number from the supplier, I'm just gonna take the tracking number and input it in my Amazon Seller Central. And yeah, I mean, then the rest is, I have the photos, I have the description, the bullet points, the product will be in there, all ready to go. So once everything is ready to go, I mean, here comes the part that I'm really not sure about how I'm gonna do it, because this is my first time. I have no idea how the algorithm works, but from everything that I have researched, what matters is sales velocity. And so yeah, what I'm planning on doing with the launch strategy is I'm planning on, first of all, examining Pageonify, whether that's a good service or not. And second thing, I'm examining right now, I'm looking for different strategies and researching about PPC on Amazon. I have come to realize that it's more of an art than a science. So we'll see how that goes. But you know, I'm ready to burn through some money, you know, like a couple of $100, maybe $1,000, and to see what the results I will get from that. But you know, once again, my approach to this is not short term. My approach to this is very long term. So I don't mind, you know, burning through some money now in order to establish my brand, my reputation on the Amazon algorithm, and, you know, order more inventory if that's necessary in order to kind of get the momentum going. So I think it's really like what my hypothesis about this is that it is a really long-term game, right? And I shouldn't be expecting any immediate rewards. You know, it's kind of hard to, I believe it's hard to launch a product and be profitable right away. You need to gain some momentum. The algorithm needs to kind of catch up and understand that, yeah, people want this product, and then he will be able to generate organic sales. But besides the point, everything is kind of ready to go. Just need to hire 2 more freelancers for that. And yeah, Pageonify, PPC, and early reviewer program. So I'm planning on doing that as well. So once I have early reviewer program, I have Pageonify, I have my PPC, I will just kind of set that all up and look what happens next. So yeah, that's where I am. And if that doesn't work, if nothing of that works, I would try to maybe run some Facebook ads, but I mean, Facebook ads is quite expensive, and I don't know. I don't have a good feeling about this, but anyway, I hope you kind of got an understanding of where I am in this journey. So as I promised, I'm keeping you updated. Maybe it's interesting for you to follow. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And also, if you like these types of videos and you're, you know, looking for Amazon videos, or, you know, just for general e-commerce or self-development, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel. And yeah, just DM me, message me, and let's get in touch. So thank you, till next time.